from this to this. Stay with us to see how we did that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to restore your faded headlights, do a headlight restoration and make your headlights look like brand new again. Stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on the process now and show you how we will turn that nasty looking headlight into a brand new looking headlight again. So we'll demonstrate on the left headlight, but ours is broken in the corner, so the results will be not as good as on the right one, but pretty much the process is the same. Why? Because ours guys, on the left side it's broken and dust is inside the headlight, so make sure you stay until the end and I will explain a few more things. So what we'll be doing now guys, okay, we need some water, just clean water, body temperature is fine. Okay, and we're going to open the hood of that vehicle. That way guys, okay, we don't need to worry about scratching anything on top, around the hood or anything like that. Usually you can use painter's tape or you can use okay, usually like a piece of carton or something like that stuck, so that way you don't send guys the bumper or the fender, whatever is close to your headlight. And let us show you what we'll be doing now guys. We will get now 600 sandpaper. You can find guys all the tools and parts that we use, okay, listed in the description of the video below on a sanding box, soft sanding box, and we'll go ahead and start sanding now. Okay, go back and forth, don't go in circles. Usually you want to go back and forth. You will notice some really yellowish, okay, tint coming off the headlight. That's normal. You can see ours is broken on the bottom, but we want to demonstrate how we will make that thing look super nice. So check it out. You want to guys stop sanding, okay, once, okay, the foam that comes off the headlight looks white instead of yellowish. Then you will know that you're about to go to the next step. And depending how bad your headlight is, it really depends how much time you're going to sand. Usually with that sandpaper it doesn't take more than 2-3 minutes once you know what you're doing. So we'll go ahead, do that for just a few more seconds. Okay, in my opinion I think it started looking way better so far. And we'll be guys getting to the next step after that. Okay, we're going to rinse the headlight off. You can see it's going to be really foggish looking, but that's fine. Next step guys, we're going to take 1000 sandpaper. You can find the link guys for the sandpaper in the description of the video below. Best deal on sandpaper that we were able to find online. So definitely worth the money. It's good quality paper too, because sometimes you get one of the cheap sandpapers and it's not good quality, it falls apart. This one is water resistant as well. Nothing sponsored here guys, everything's purchased by us, so just sharing the products that we like with you and products that we tested and we know that they're good. So using that 1000 sandpaper now, this thing buffs the scratches out of the 600 sandpaper. So it will make our headlight easier to polish. Now as you can see, this car is damaged a little bit on the front. We'll be rebuilding it soon. But otherwise guys, you can use painter's tape to make sure that you tape your grill and all that stuff so you don't scratch anything. Next step, 2000 sandpaper. This is the last step guys. You can actually even go to 3000 if you want to make it even shinier than that. Okay, but 3000, it comes with the package, so it's definitely worth the time, okay, if you want to make it super crystal clear. But usually between 2 and 3000 the difference is very little, not so much. So we're going to go ahead, okay, buff the scratches, okay, with that 2000. Remove the scratches out of the 1000, so that way we will be able to easily guys, okay, restore the headlight clarity. That improves the vision quite a bit as well. Now the headlight might end up not being perfect, okay, because as you can see it's broken and it got some dust and stuff inside, so probably got some like fading on the inside as well, but as a result, guys, okay, it will look way better than what it is now. So we're going to rinse it off now, and I'm going to get a towel now, okay, just a regular towel, and we're going to dry everything and get to the next step. You have to make sure that everything is completely dry. Headlight will be really foggy looking once we're done with it now, but you'll see we're just a few seconds from turning that thing into a crystal clear headlight. Next we'll be using turtle wax scratch repair. This thing is amazing. It removes scratches, swirl marks, okay, in it you can see it permanently remove light to heavy scratches up to 1000 grit. And we used 2000 grit sandpaper towards the end, so it will have no problem removing these scratches, guys. So we're going to apply a thin amount, okay, on the whole headlight like that. Next, guys, I'll be using the buffer right here, and I'll buff it at about 1900 RPMs. Okay, and it's important not to stay too long in one spot because you can melt the headlight, because it's plastic headlight and it will get really hot. So I will be, okay, buffing it at 1900 RPMs now. Now we'll do one more layer of wax. Okay, the first one, guys, kind of like absorbs in the headlight because the plastic was super dry, so you want to do one more layer. If you cannot get the corners, you have to do them by hand, or we can get a small polishing pad. Most of the headlights are super easy to access except that linking, guys, because they're kind of like in the bumper, so that makes it a little bit inconvenient. So I will go ahead and hold it a little bit here out because this headlight is broken here. Now guys, next step. Okay, you can see how much better that thing is looking, right? But we're not done. So I switched to the polishing part now, guys. Okay, this one was the one that we were using before. Now what we'll be using, guys, it will be Glossworks by Chemical, guys. Amazing past wax that actually makes it pretty shiny, guys. Pretty shiny and crystal clear. And you will see how, okay, it will be ready in just a few seconds, guys. Okay, we'll be ready to show you that crystal looking headlight. Okay, you can see now it's a little bit foggy still. Don't worry, okay, all that will be gone very soon. So we apply a thin amount. You may have to do that twice, it really depends on how bad yours is. And I'm going to buff it again at about 1900 RPMs. Okay, and let's see what it will look like. Okay guys, and now we're ready to polish it, and you can see how much better it looks. Now, this one has a little bit of dust inside. Okay, a little bit of dust, so it's dirty on the inside, but we did the other side, and check it out, the one that's sealed and not broken, that's the end result. So practically it's amazing, guys. So stay with us, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos that will save you quite a bit of money. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.